Welcome back to 10 Slide Info's Defense Update series. Today we are going to see two recent updates on the defense side which happened during the Aero India 2021. The first one is regarding Indian Navy getting 3 customized advanced light helicopters. Second one is regarding a deal of 56 Airbus C-295 transport aircrafts. Let us see both news in a detailed manner. As per the defense sources, the Indian Navy has received 3 advanced light helicopters from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited on February 5, 2021 during the Aero India 2021. These helicopters are not just the normal ones, but a fully loaded multi-mission chopper which has been fitted with an array of advanced sensors. These 3 helicopters are out of the 16 Mark III variant advanced light helicopter which has been ordered by Indian Navy. These choppers were ordered by Indian Navy to replace the aging Chetak and Cheetah helicopters. The customized Mark III, which is under delivery, features a full glass cockpit with HAL's integrated architecture display system, more powerful Shakti Saffron Adenine 1H1 engines, and a host of new systems integrated by HAL's Rotary Wing Research and Design Center. So that was regarding the first update. Now coming to the second one, which is regarding the 56 Airbus C-295 transport aircrafts. Post approving the 83 LCA Tejas order with HAL, Indian Air Force is expecting the Cabinet Committee on Security to approve the long pending order of 56 C-295 transport aircrafts. This deal is said to include 6 C-295 aircrafts for Indian Coast Guard as well. Indian Air Force currently operates HS-748 Avro from Hawker Siddeley and AN-32 from Antonov as transport aircrafts, and these are mainly used for airdropping the cargoes, passenger carrying, medical evacuation, firefighting, skydiving, and paratrooping roles. Even though these fighters have been with Indian Air Force for quite a while, Indian Air Force is very keen on replacing them at the earliest. Airbus has been more focused during Aero India 2021 to promote their A330 multi-role tanker transport and C-295 transport aircraft for Indian Air Force, and also the Panther helicopter for Indian Navy. Airbus is committed to transferring technology to India as part of the contract and plans to build the first 16 aircrafts at an Airbus facility in Spain, and the remaining C-295 would be built by Tata Advanced Systems in India. The C-295 is a multi-role transport aircraft which can carry a maximum payload of 9.25 tons. It has a range of 2000 nautical miles when carrying 6 tons, and it can also carry up to 71 troops. According to Airbus, a total of 209 C-295 aircrafts have been ordered by 28 countries across the world. As its dimensions are smaller than the Indian Air Force existing fleet of C-130J, C-17 and IL-76 transport aircraft, the C-295 can take off and land at a wide variety of airfields. Seeing all the above facts, Indian Air Force selected the C-295 as the replacement for its aging fleet of Avro 748 transport aircrafts. So that was the 2 latest updates on the defense side which I thought of sharing via this video. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.